How SAP FI streamlined financial reporting for a global mining company. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how SAP FI has transformed financial reporting for a global mining company. This case study highlights the challenges faced, the solutions implemented, and the remarkable outcomes achieved. Let's dive in. Section 1. Overview of the mining company. First, let's introduce the mining company at the center of our case study. This organization operates in multiple countries, dealing with various currencies, regulations, and financial reporting standards. With such complexity, the need for an efficient financial reporting system became critical. Section 2. Challenges faced before SAP FI implementation. Before implementing SAP FI, the company encountered several challenges. Manual reporting processes. Financial reports were generated manually, leading to errors and delays. Data silos. Different departments used separate systems, making it difficult to consolidate financial data. Regulatory compliance issues. Navigating diverse regulatory requirements across countries was cumbersome and time-consuming. Section 3. The decision to implement SAP FI. Recognizing these challenges, the company decided to implement SAP FI. The goal was to streamline financial reporting processes, improve accuracy, and ensure compliance with international standards. Section 4. Implementation process. The implementation of SAP FI involved several key steps. Assessment and planning. The team assessed existing processes and identified specific needs for financial reporting. Configuration. SAP FI was customized to align with the company's unique operational requirements. Data migration. Historical financial data was migrated into the new system to ensure continuity. Training. Staff received comprehensive training to effectively use the new system. Section 5. Key features of SAP FI utilized. The company leveraged several key features of SAP FI that significantly enhanced their financial reporting capabilities. Real-time data processing. Financial data is updated in real time, allowing for timely decision-making. Integrated reporting tools. Automated reporting tools enable seamless consolidation of data from various departments. Compliance management. SAP FI supports compliance with multiple regulatory frameworks, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Section 6. Results achieved post-implementation. After implementing SAP FI, the mining company experienced impressive results. Reduction in reporting time. Financial reports that previously took weeks to prepare were now generated in just days. Increased accuracy. The automation of data entry reduced errors by over 50%, leading to more reliable financial statements. Enhanced decision-making. With real-time insights into financial performance, management could make informed decisions quickly. Streamlined compliance processes. The company successfully navigated regulatory requirements with minimal effort. Section 7. Conclusion and future outlook. In conclusion, SAP FI has revolutionized financial reporting for this global mining company. By streamlining processes and enhancing accuracy, the organization is now better positioned for growth in a competitive industry. As digital transformation continues to evolve, solutions like SAP FI will remain vital for companies looking to optimize their financial operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this case study informative, please like this video and subscribe for more insights on financial transformation. Share your thoughts in the comments. How has your organization approached financial reporting challenges? Until next time.